Lamphang ke jingdawa thwain ka chala ba met baling do loong ba udang peit bniah hakabai de bat ka jingdawa bonweng noi uthoma sangma MLA kan pi kum udkhot na ki committee ka assembly kuman chukudo ba ka khot ka yeng dor ba na kaliang persyak Dr. Amprining do kalapha da ka jingtho so Lamphang bonweng yutu MLA hatin ka jingsha kan no bulo thombor ya ka wei kan thai.
Well, I think the honourable member who had sent me a letter for the removal of his membership in two assembly committees, the Public Undertaking Committee and the Public Accounts Committee. For me, I am examining the matter, and I feel that I should not rush in taking decisions, keeping in mind the nature of the case which have been filed. And as you are all aware that today we have seen in the media reports that the complainant would like to withdraw the FIR. But since the matter and the government has forwarded the case to the court, so I think the court only will look into that and see what will be done in the days to come. So from my side, we have just seen it in the media reports about the FIR which has been filed. So no such kind of complaints which has come to me, except a letter which has come from one of the honourable member of the House for his removal from the committees of the assembly committees.